the highest spec Ducati V4 in the entire Zhejiang province, is officially born. Bring on the challengers. What's up, brothers? The bike we are modifying today is this exact one, a Ducati V4. The owner has already dropped hundreds of thousands on this bike. Today, we're going to throw down a few 100,000 more, and see what kind of masterpiece we can build. Whether it's a Thailand-built Ducati, or an original Italian-made Ducati, they all suffer from this extreme heat issue. Look at this V4S, the belly pan has completely melted from the heat. This time, we are going to fix this issue once and for all. The previous sealant job was done terribly. So, we are going to scrape it off and reapply it for him. this million RMB V4 is finally complete once again. Let's take a look at its upgrade list together. The owner's standard choice, a Brembo GP master cylinder, paired with Stäubli quick disconnect lines. The handlebar switch is a very niche, racing spec switch. The front suspension is the Öhlins FGR 230, paired with WSBK-spec Brembo shark fin calipers. It's using 6.75mm brake rotors. Meanwhile, the braided brake lines are made of carbon fiber. Plus, it has Stäubli quick disconnects. These wheels are the same model found on the Superleggera SL. This package alone costs another few $100,000. Every bit of hardware, visible or hidden, has been replaced with Motocourse parts. Even the valve stems and valve cores are Motocourse. The rear brake has been upgraded to a Brembo King Crab's caliper, paired with a Motomaster brake rotor. And of course, we also fitted a Stäubli quick disconnect here. The main upgrade this time is that we replaced the rear shock with an Öhlins TTX Titanium Edition. Now, the owner is actually quite practical. He kept a street-legal GP clutch perch. However, his dry clutch setup is anything but ordinary. It's a factory Race-Spec dry clutch assembly from the V4 Superleggera. You can see it has a smaller diameter than a standard STM dry clutch. Every single bolt on the bike has been swapped for premium titanium bolts. They look beautiful. They look absolutely beautiful. But it's a bit of a pity, because as of right now, his custom sprocket kit hasn't arrived in our hands yet. It's going to be the only set in the whole country. There are plenty of other minor modifications that I won't go through one by one. Instead, let's treat everyone to the exhaust note of this factory stock V4 underseat exhaust. Follow Lao Shu, Old Mouse, to see more bike modification builds.